Thought I'd do a quick video on one of these. You don't see them too often. This is a Husqvarna biochip mower. Not too common. These take a special double gold wing blade, basically a mulching blade. This one's been a bit souped up because when I had it, it had a bucket motor on it. So what I've done is I threw a 6.5 horsepower Lonkin on it, and I modified a cut blade off a big bob mower. So she's got way more punch than she needs to. So if I start her up, so this is very easily thick grass. It just mulches it down to nothing. Well, the grass here grows so damn long. You can see it, the grass is reasonably high. It's about, I don't know, 2-3 inches, but it just comes down at fine shavings. Yeah, they work really well, and they've got an oversized motor on them. I think most smaller mowers do.